This is the SOG tool, or yeah, well, SOG's actually owns Tool Logic, so I almost said SOG, but the brand is Tool Logic T1 business card. The model number is T1BCC. This is a little business card toolkit that is, quite frankly, not much bigger than a business card. It's held with a little clip. You can clip it on the side of your wallet, clip it on your sun visor. It stows away really nicely and has lots of tools integrated with it. Tool number one is a pair of scissors. We've got a straight edge knife. It is very sharp. Next we have a nail file / flathead screwdriver. An ink pen. A needle for sewing. A very, very small flathead screwdriver for electronics. A small Phillips head screwdriver. And last but not least, a little ruler alongside the casing. That is the Tool Logic T1 Series Business Card Toolkit. Model number T1BCC.